Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a gobi 65. It is very easy to make, and if you will make it you will like it, and it will take only 20 minutes to make, and it will be very crispy, crunchy and a super tasty recipe. So if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So for making this, here I have taken 250 gram of gobi, and I have washed it and cut it in medium pieces, you can see. So basically it is a cauliflower. So now we will go into next process. For this, here I have taken water, and then I will add a little bit of salt, and we will cook it until it boiling. You can see it is boiling. Now add all the gobi, and make sure you switch off the gas here and cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes I will transfer it into a plate. So transfer all the cauliflower. So here it is done. Now we will make batter. So for this, here I have taken a bowl, then I will add plain flour or maida. So I will add 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Then I will add corn flour 2 tablespoons. After that I will add some green coriander finely chopped. So I will add 1 tablespoon of green coriander. Then I will add half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt according to taste, oil 2 tablespoon. Now 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. It is optional, but if you have, please add it. It will taste super delicious. Now mix it nicely. So now I will add a little bit of water and mix it very nicely. So add little bit of water and mix it like this. So here it has done. You can see it is a pouring consistency. It is not very thin and not very thick. Now take a cauliflower or gobi, and then I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and garam masala half teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now mix all the things really nicely, and so toss it like this and mix. So here it is done. Now we will add it into a batter. So add all the gobi here. So here it is done. Now mix all the things really well. So use a spoon and mix all the things. So here it is done. Now we will leave it for 5 minutes. After that we will fry it. So after 5 minutes we will fry it. So here oil is medium hot, and we will fry it in low to medium flame. So add some gobi here, and we will fry it for 4 to 5 minutes in low to medium flame. And when it cook in one side, then stir it or flip it and cook both of the sides. And we will cook it 80 to 90%. So here it is done. Now we will transfer it into a plate, and I will fry all the gobi like this. So transfer it into a plate. So here I have made all the gobi, and I have fried it very well, you can see. So now leave it for 2 minutes. After that we will fry it again, and now we will fry it in a piping hot oil. So here the oil is piping hot. Then add gobi here and cook it for 1 minute in high flame. After 1 minute it will be very crispy, crunchy, and it will change the color. So you can see it has changed the color. Now I will add a little bit of green coriander and some chili. If you have curry leaves, then add curry leaves here and cook it for 20 seconds. So now here it is done. Now I will transfer it into a plate. And here it is done. You can see it is very tempting, colorful, and super delicious. Gobi 65 is ready. So please make this recipe at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you.